Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is
Sophia.
and this is Leo, and today we are creating the cringe one part 7. Eh, ate,
Bakit?
Tagalog o English?
Anong Tagalog? English, Spanish, or English?
Hindi, Tagalog o English. Iba tayo.
Tagalog.
Kumalaw, bading. Baby, you got something, do you know? Sleep in that cage, can you feel the hoe? Nothing pride, peace for sale. New boyfriend, be the boy. Do you really what is up? Eh, ate, nahulog yung camera. Leave me like washi. Don't be dirty.